right? How many is that? How many calculations is that? Okay, it's Abdelaziz. Thank you so much. Welcome back. I'm really upset you put me on charge. Not really sure what you mean by that. Please explain. Money M says, "Hi Dennis, first live event with you. Glad to be. Hey, glad to have you too. Welcome. Glad you're here." So Money M, the question in front of the group right now is if you have 32 calculations happening in one layer, and each one of those is going to 16 other calculations, right? How many calculations is that? Rahul says 512 calculations. Is he right? Anybody else want to give an answer? Yassine says 32 times 16, which I believe is essentially Rahul's answer, right? Yeah, so okay, yeah, so most of you guys are getting it, right? Keyshawn also 32 times 16, yeah. Right? And remember, these are your hidden layers. You've already gone 20 not calculations, but 20 objects, 20 numbers to 64. You've gone 64 to 32. And then you've gone 32 to 16. And then you got to go 16 to 5. That's a lot of processing, right? And Rahul, I skipped over your comment, but yeah, you're right. It's trade-off on processing time and power, right? So yes, more layers, more better, but performance is your trade-off. Time is your trade-off. There's other trade-offs too, you know, which is probably outside the scope of today's discussion. But you guys should be aware of this, right? Yeah, Money M and Noah, yeah, you guys are getting it, right? It's a lot of processing power, right? And this is why neural networks take so long to train. Because you do have the big neural networks that are put out by Google, by Meta, right? There's examples out there, right? They've open sourced some of their neural networks, and they have an incredible amount of layers with massive numbers of nodes, right? So that's how you start seeing, you know, why neural networks take so long. Because there are neural networks out there with a lot of hidden layers, but each layer represents processing power, right? So yeah, I mean, I love how you presented that, Rahul, because it is, in theory, better to have more layers,